That guy flashing these lights, warning everybody you're sitting there. That was pretty stupid, wasn't it? I mean, that's pretty crappy. And I could take you to jail today for your unsigned registration card. You think it's funny, sir? Place your hands behind your back for me.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir. Place your hands behind your back for me.
Oh, man.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On Friday, May 13th of 2022, Corporal Ellison of the Nicholas County Sheriff's Department in West Virginia was patrolling Route 19 in Summersville. Further down the road, one of his colleagues was parked in the median running radar. The deputy noticed a vehicle flashing his headlights, claiming they appeared to be wigwags, which is a device for flashing automobiles' headlamps, so that only one of the two headlights operates at a time. The vehicle in question did not have wigwags, and flashing your headlights or high beams at the opposing lanes of traffic is widely known as a friendly heads-up, warning other drivers of a speed trap ahead.
That guy flashing these lights, warning everybody you're sitting there. I'm going after him. All right.
Deputy Ellison then turns around to chase down the driver, but before we continue, I want to show you the last wallet you'll ever buy. Extra reimagined the traditional wallet with a totally new style, and they've made it even harder to lose. Extra wallets are a sleek, minimalist design made with high quality leather, aluminum, or carbon fiber that holds up to 12 cards and cash with the click of a button. They have built-in RFID protection and a solar-powered tracking device that uses a two-way ring system to deliver separation alerts and track the wallet's location. And if you don't want to use their tracker, they even make wallets that hold Apple's AirTags. I just got their key holder and key tracker too, so I'll be able to find them if I leave them somewhere by mistake. I've used a few styles, but my favorites are the Parliament, which has room for 12 cards, cash, and a pocket for the tracker or tool card. But I also like the modular bifold. It has a removable, magnetic card holder, so if you don't need to carry everything, remove the insert and take what you need. Their fall sale is now live, where you can save up to 25% on your order if you use my link and my code LackLuster at checkout. Use the link in the description or pinned comment and get yours today. And now, back to the video, where Deputy Ellison has finally caught up with the dangerous headlight flasher and initiates a traffic stop.
That was pretty stupid, wasn't it?
What's that?
Flashing your lights at everybody to let them know that law enforcement was sitting there running radar.
Is that what I did? Is that a crime?
Yeah.
It is? I didn't know that.
Yeah. You got your license, registration, proof?
Yeah, I did.
Why would you do that? You're flashing your high beams at people to...
In the daytime?
Yeah.
I didn't know that was a crime.
It doesn't say daytime or nighttime. It just says that you can't do it, and you did it.
So far, William has not said anything to incriminate himself, but he comes awfully close, which is why you should always elect to remain silent and refuse to answer any questions without a lawyer present.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't know that was a crime. I didn't know that was.
Yeah, you can't high beam people at any time in the daytime or nighttime.
I didn't know that. I didn't know. I mean, yeah, nighttime I understand, but daytime I didn't know.
I'm sure I could articulate some other kind of driving charge in there for doing that too.
Well,
That's pretty crappy.
Yeah, I apologize.
William gives the deputy his information, and Ellison returns to his cruiser to try and figure out how to retaliate against William.
Just, you can hang tight, listen to what he says.
His report claims he looked up laws on special restrictions on lamps and unsigned registration cards, and then returns to issue William his citations.
Alright, sir, there's your stuff back there. And I wrote you 2 citations today. First one being special restrictions on lamps, which you can read that code, and it says no flashing lights shall be on a vehicle. And at that point in time, you had flashing lights on your vehicle. It's unauthorized.
Well, under the Constitution, it's protected under the First Amendment. But I'm going to look into it.
That's in Tennessee.
Yeah, I'm going to look into it. I'm going to see about West Virginia.
Yeah.
Free speech, you know.
Yeah, it's not illegal to do that, to flash and warn, but it's illegal to high beam.
Okay.
And it is legal to have flashing lights on your vehicle, not being an emergency vehicle.
I'll see.
Huh?
I said I'll see.
Okay.
Technically, yes, it is illegal to use high beams within 500 feet of oncoming traffic, or 200 feet following another vehicle, but William was cited for having flashing headlights on his vehicle, as they are only allowed when making turns or indicating that your vehicle is disabled or stopped where it shouldn't be. However, the vehicle code cited refers to an exception that states that a vehicle may be equipped with lamps, which may be used for the purpose of warning the operators of other vehicles of the presence of a vehicular traffic hazard, requiring the exercise of unusual care in approaching, overtaking, or passing. So, if the vehicle parked in the median was a disabled vehicle, it would have been legal, but because it was a cop, it isn't. William makes it clear he will look into the matter and perhaps challenge the citation. And now, because William isn't cleaning the soles of Deputy Ellison's footwear with his taste buds, the officer threatens to arrest him.
And I could take you to jail today for your unsigned registration card, but I just wrote you a citation for that. That's actually up to 6 months in jail. You think it's funny, sir?
I'll take the ticket, sir.
I know, but do you think this is funny?
I'm allowed to laugh. I can laugh all I want.
Okay, go ahead and step out here for me.
I didn't do anything.
Sir, I'm asking you to step out of the...
Am I being detained?
Yes, sir, you are. Step out of the vehicle.
Are you serious?
Place your hands behind your back for
Are
me.
you serious?
Yes, sir. Place your hands behind your back for
Oh
me.
man, you're serious, brother.
I'm not your brother.
Believe me, you're not.
Yeah, I'll never be your brother. I'll never be your brother.
Exactly. You'll never be my brother. Just be careful.
I
with
don't
me,
want to
sir.
be your brother.
No, just be careful with me, sir.
Don't jerk away from me.
Just be careful.
Don't jerk away from me, sir.
Just be careful.
Don't jerk away from me.
My wallet is in the car.
Okay, I don't want you to jerk away from me
I was
right
going
there.
away from the traffic.
No, I was putting you in front of my car,
Okay.
which is away from traffic.
You're arresting me for laughing.
No,
I didn't do anything.
I'm arresting you for unsigned registration.
Okay, all right, that's fine.
Okay, so stand right there.
Deputy Ellison claims he is arresting William for not signing his registration card, though the code says absolutely nothing about being required to sign it. After conducting a Terry frisk, the deputy leaves William in between the vehicles on the roadway, which is one of the most dangerous places to stand. In fact, being struck by a vehicle and automobile crashes are the second highest cause of on-duty death for law enforcement. After returning to his vehicle for a short period of time, the deputy returns and releases William.
I guess I'll see you in court. Alright, ticket still stands there. Special restrictions on lamps. Unsigned registration card. I gave you till the 23rd of this month to contact the magistrate. Phone number's on your copy there. Once you contact them, they can tell you how to take care of it.
Okay.
Alrighty, sir. Be safe.
William appeared in court to defend himself on October 6th. He was somehow convicted for the horrifying crime of special restrictions on lamps. However, the made-up charge of having an unsigned registration card was dropped because it doesn't exist, which means that William's arrest, and potentially putting his life in greater danger on the side of a busy road, was not only just a show of force from an unchecked ego, it was also a clear violation of his civil rights. To be 100% clear, this traffic stop was sought in retaliation against William for the non-crime of warning other drivers of tyrannous road piracy on the highway ahead,
Guy flashing these lights, warning everybody you're sitting there.
which also deprived him of Fourth Amendment protections by detaining him in the absence of a lawful reason to stop him. John Bryan, the civil rights lawyer, is helping him with an appeal and will lead the civil suit against the department. In fact, John posted this video a week or two ago, and I took it from him with his permission. You didn't know that because you've failed miserably at subscribing to his channel. John is a solid dude and has helped me with various legal issues and is one of the few that fights the good fight. John Bryan, Jeff Gray, and I are working together to bring you all something huge in the next coming months. More will be announced about that at a later time, so if you're one of the ones that isn't subbed to John's channel, use the link below to go check him out. And added thanks to Extra for sponsoring this video. They've been a great help to the channel. My personal link to their fall sale can be found in the description and pinned comment as well. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.